the Beekman School's mission?
The Beekman School's mission
The Beekman School's mission
is to provide a differentiated curriculum
that unites flexibility and compassion
in a safe yet challenging environment.
Our supportive educators
maintain a mutually respectful,
multicultural setting
that is committed to the dignity and worth of all of our students,
as they are guided into becoming responsible citizens, independent thinkers, and conscientious contributors to society.
Our community of scholars celebrates the individual
And cultivates a lifelong love of learning.
a lifelong love of learning.
我哋係一塊地圖寫得啲。
我們同時也注重培養學生對學習備心的熱情。
Mempersikap ke arah pembelajaran sepanjang hayat.
Cultiva un amor de aprendizaje de por vida.
A lifelong love of learning.
a lifelong love of learning.